This video shows you how you can install Diamond on your PC or laptop. The first thing you have to do is visit the Diamond website and then go to the tab Try and Buy. Then click on Free Demo and press Add to Cart. Then go to Proceed to Checkout. Here you must fill in all your information and then place order. You will then receive a confirmation of your order and an email with a link to your account. Click on the link and now you're ready to install Diamond. So click over here and on the bottom you will see that the installation starts. And now press Accept and install. You will then have to restart your computer, so click Yes. And once your computer is restarted, then click Next. Here you will have to select a language and then click on Next and click on Next again. And now press Close. It is very important to copy your key from here, so click on Copy. And then go to the Diamond icon to start Diamond. So double click and now Diamond is starting. And here you will have to paste the license key which you just copied and then press Activate. And then click on OK. And now Diamond is installed and ready to be used.